This is a tangle called Bales. I'm beginning with pencil dot marks in each corner. Then I am making a pencil border and then inking that border. Now I'm taking the pencil and making what's called a string. And then I'm going to ink the string and I'm going to put dots along this string. Bales is a tangle that's kind of like a grain of rice, and then you aura that grain of rice. All of my tangles, I start with gratitude, grateful for the pen, the paper, appreciation for what I have, my family, everything. And I make sure I'm comfortable and that I breathe, I don't hold my breath. And so what I'm going to do is take one of these dots and round a line from one dot to the next. And then I'm going to aura that, which as you can see is just doing it again and again and again until it's the size that you like. Sometimes I tend to add more on the inside like I'm doing here, and it's all completely up to you, whatever you like. This is for you. So I really recommend when you tangle, I do the first few very slow and then I speed up the video. Whenever you go to tangle, I recommend being as comfortable as you can, and it's a great time to set intentions. For me, it clears my mind. When I'm tangling, I can't think of anything else except for the next place I'm going to put ink from the pen. You can use any pen, any paper. You don't need anything fancy. You don't need anything special. So when you come into my lives to join in tangling, you can use anything. So I fill this whole page. I think for me to do this took a couple of hours. And I love to keep a notebook in my backpack for work, my purse, my car, with any pen. So no matter where I am, in a doctor's office waiting room or waiting for kids to get done from a practice or a ball game, or if I'm just having one of those days where I just need a moment. For me, tangling is a great way to reset things for me. So for me, this is my meditation. It's my stress relief. It's my go-to. So check out my lives. If you haven't followed me, go ahead and follow me. And if you click on the bell to the right, upper right corner of my bio, you'll get notifications when I'm live. I do Zentangle classes free on TikTok, and I hope to see you soon. At the end, I take the graphite and I shade the strings that I began with, and then I use what's called a tortillon, and I blend that. At the end, I showed the shading in both light and with the light off, so you can see the depth and dimension that shading gives. It brings on a whole different version of the tangle that you've done. Have an amazing, wonderful day.